Hi everyone, my name is Hannah. I am studying journalism as my major for my BA, and I am an experienced online student. I did take last semester fully online as well as years ago. I did do hybrid classes for a couple years through a community college. I find it really helpful to color code my planner. It helps me get a very quick visual of what I have to do and what my load of work is. An interesting fact about me, I did spend some time living in Albania, about a year. On this slide, you can see a picture of Berat, Albania. It's one of their most beautiful cities with castles. It's in between Italy and Greece. And then my camera is a Canon 77D EOS. I really like this camera. I did have a Nikon before and I loved it, but it broke. And so I received this one as a gift for Christmas. And it came with a 55 to 250 and an 18 to 55 millimeter lenses. I did include the link there, which is where I bought it. Well, where it came from, and I really do enjoy it. And I look forward to getting to know all of you, and best of luck in everyone's classes.